right, everybody. So I've been asked to do a little bit of hammer clinching demo, and I thought I might as well share it with everybody. So, hola mis amigos de Mexico. I'm old. That's why we're doing old school clinching. So I'm going to clinch these inside nails. And no, I did not pull the clip. In fact, to be honest, I didn't even drive the nails. So now, I'll make sure my nails are out far enough and squared up with the pull-offs. I'll cut them off with the pull-offs. And then I'm just going to wrap underneath them nice and easy, and then make them all square. Whenever I clinch, or I will gouge with my knife first, my knife goes under the nail, and I take off just enough for that nail to fit in. So it doesn't have to be a whole lot. That's a very fast, easy way to clinch. So where's your hammer, Storm? Okay, so now my pull-ups, they'll go right under the nail, and I'll come down and then in. So I want to hit the nail there, knock it in. Hit the nail there, knock it in. Okay, so now once you've done that, I can grasp to the foot, come up and hit the clinch, and the clinches will be so deep that you almost can't rasp them off. All right, my friends, that's Clinching 101. Thanks for watching.